Let's make a color-themed activity basket for my 2-year-old toddler. This is an easy DIY activity basket you can make at home using toys you already own. What I did was go through all of our toy bins and pick out toys that are baby-friendly. I used what I had and divided everything into 4 different activity bins for the day. I filled one bin with blue cars, beanbag shapes, and fidget toys. I filled another one with a blue flashcard, blue crayons and markers, and a blue coloring page for both kids. The third activity bin is divided into 6 sections, so I used that to add 6 different toys that can be used to build or create. I then filled the last bin with random blue toys we owned. I honestly filled it with what didn't go with the other activity bins. My 2-year-old played with everything throughout the day. There were no time limits, and when I noticed she was over one basket, I introduced the next. I have all these pieces linked in my Amazon storefront in case anyone is looking for something similar.